Travel shortcuts. You already know. This time we're in Luanda Angola and we're back in the market, back on the wheeling and dealing and scheming and everything else that comes with traveling. Well, I say that, but it's really for those who want to try and conquer and do something and not just travel and do backflips and roller polies, but who actually want to try and get into the whole business side of traveling. I'm here trying to furnish my new Airbnb/hostel. So I said, you know what? Let me visit Lindeza. It's a market square, value for money for those who want imported goods. So I thought, why not? Let me go over there. Let me see what's happening. Let me purchase some stuff and let me try and get a great deal on some items. So join me in the fun, join me for this adventure and check out Luanda Angola and check out the goods.
Mas aqui tá organizado. Vai ter coisa ainda. Coisas pacotinhas, né? Aqui tem umas panelas. Vamos então. Além disso, hoje tudo acabou, né? Tem mais?
Não, tem mais. Vamos embora.
500. Uma coisa assim. É aqui, a grande.
É, mas falei, vamos.
Que roupa. Então, passar uma coisa, tampa micro-ondas, a botella elétrica, tudo, né? Já. Cortina não, né? Paga onde? Você pode carregar? Esse era 2.500, né?
Aqui tem muito. Vamos escolher.
Yeah.
Vamos aí na cortina.
And there you have it, folks. Travel shortcuts out there in the market square inside Lindeza. I'm like what you see is what you get, man. It's a nice place. It's pretty organized, I will have to say. I mean, I've been to Kikolo, I've been to Ojaenda, and by far Lindeza is pretty much the most organized market square I've been to. It's literally, like, you can literally get anything. Well recommended if you're trying to furnish your house, you're trying to need some materials, you need some things custom made, etc. You know, it's just abundance. And like I said, it's really good if you're trying to get some imported goods at a low cost, you know, value for money, and all that shabazz. You know, well recommended. I had a great time. Easy access. The money wasn't too bad from the main Luanda city. I believe the taxi was like 5,000 something kwanza, which is like $7, which is like £5. So, you know, well recommended. It's great. And what can I say? And not obviously, I had to go and buy some things for the to furnish the house, etc. You know, but at the same time, it was great just to see another side of Luanda. You know, I mean, it's like 40 minutes away from the main city, so it's kind of a tour. I kind of done the tourism there. You know, I went there on a mission, but, you know, it was nice to just walk around and venture off and see something else, you know. And I've been going back and forth and to Angola, Luanda, you know, for like 2 years now. And, you know, this is the first time I went to Lindeza. And, you know, I had a great time there, I'll have to say. It was well recommended. And I'll definitely be going back there when I do need to purchase more household goods, you know, and things like that. But, yeah, definitely a little motivation for today. You know, live to live, not live to survive. You know, you're the main protagonist of your story. Don't let someone else be the main character of your life. You know, you're not an extra. You're a protagonist. You know, you're the main person. You're the main character. You know, so, you know, just when you wake up in the morning, you know, try and wake up with that oomph, you know, that, you know, you can make stuff happen, you know, because I'll tell you now, if you're going to sit out here all day and wait for other people to open doors for you, good luck.